the wording of this lesson I'll try to explain to you guys. It's a lot simpler than it looks, okay? So let's say you have, I might as well just draw an example on here so I can explain it. Let's say you have the number 10, okay? It's going to look a little weird at first, but suppose you were to put a logarithm in the exponent, all right? So I'm going to put my log up here, okay? Now, if I make that base of the log the same as this base, okay, it won't matter what goes inside the parentheses. Somebody just choose a number or a variable. 7, okay? What do you think the answer is going to be?
7.
Yes. So the gist of this lesson is that the base of the exponent and the base of the log will ultimately cancel out, and you'll just be left with that number inside. That's what it means to raise a number to its logarithm base. If they're not the same, then this rule doesn't apply. You'd have to use a calculator or something to figure it. Here's how the proof works. We know that log base a of x equals log base a of x. Everybody agree with that? Okay. We're going to make this right side of the equation the exponent, because a to this power should give you that if you convert it back to exponential form like he was talking about. So a to this power gives you this. So we're just going to label this the exponent. This is the result. This is the base if we were to convert it back into exponential form. So now that we take it like that, a is the base, this is the exponent, and x is the result. And what we've just shown is basically whatever's inside of this log here is going to be your answer, whether it's x or b or c or 7. Basically, this base a with this log base a cancels. It just goes back to converting between exponential form and logarithmic
So
form.
if bases are the same, then the answer is exponent?
If the bases are the same like this, then it's whatever's inside the log. Okay? It would actually be your result. So let's do a couple practical examples here. What do you guys think the... well, it's already there. Sorry, I meant to be covered up. So in this particular example, we have a to the log base a of x. Because these are both a's, the answer is just going to be x. Okay? You don't have to write this down, but a to the power of log base a of x is equal to x. That's just how you read it. Next example, you do need to write this one down. Let's try to... 7 to the log base 7 of x minus 4. So again, because this base 7 and this base 7 are the same, the answer is just going to be x minus 4. Another example, want to use natural log. Natural log is log base what? E. Yes, so if we have e to the natural log of something, that will also cancel out because natural log is base e. So in this case, it's e to the natural log of 5x minus 1. The answer is 5x minus 1. Pretty simple. Done. Let's say you have 10 to the log base 10 of yz. Just be y as e. Okay, whatever's inside those parentheses is your answer. And again, the name of this lesson is raising a number to its logarithm base. So I'm going to give you the worksheet.